Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video we'll show and tell how to send a message to WhatsApp without saving the number. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, we will need to go to whatever browser we have. I'm going to go to Safari on my iPhone. Then we're gonna write .me here, and then we're gonna write a dot. Write .me and put a slash like this. After that, we have to write the code of our country, and then write the phone number. Press go. This is the page that opens. Here we press open. We automatically open WhatsApp and open the number of the person. And now we can write any message to the person without saving. And the number will pop up and we don't need to save it. That's how easy it can be done. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. Goodbye.